Hello, I'm Karina from Knit Indulgence, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a slip stitch edge. So what I've done is I've worked across my row here and I'm coming to the end. So I'll just do a couple more stitches here just so we get to the last set at the end of the row. And then we will work a slip stitch edge. Excuse the helicopter noise. There, now we've come to our last set of stitches here, and this is where we're going to work our slip stitch edge. And that's what makes this pretty little edging right here. So the first thing we need to do is we slip the first stitch, and then we bring that color yarn to the front of the work. Next we will slip the middle stitch, and then we're going to bring our color that matches this color here to the back of the work, and then we're going to take that first yarn color and make sure it goes underneath there and bring that to the back of the work. Slip that last stitch, give it a nice little tug, and then turn your work over. Now what this does is this also sets you up to start your KPP row, because you knit and then purl, purl. So that's how you do the slip stitch edge on a KKP row. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to work across this to the other side and show you how to do it on the KPP row. Alright, now that we've reached the end of our KPP row or return row, we're getting to the edge, so we can do the edge stitch here. Just let me get to where I need to be. Here we are. So now we can do the slip stitch edge for the return row. So what you need to do is slip the first stitch, grab the color of yarn that matches that stitch and bring it to the front. Slip the second stitch, and this time we're going to bring both of those stitches or both of those colored tails to the front, and then just kind of hold it up over there. Take that first yarn back to the back of the work and then slip that stitch and then give it a little tug. And there you go, you have it. And that's how you do your slip stitch edging and triple knitting. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. Have a great day.